There is also the problem of the health problem. Some people who have been addicted to taking narcotics, how to institute some rehabilitation programs for them. Although we don't have, the native Afghans are very few who take narcotics. This is something that is usually our guests from many foreign countries, when they come to Afghanistan, they help themselves rather generously to these drugs. But the Afghans themselves, perhaps because it wasn't considered something very chic, they don't do it. They used not to do it. Now it is coming in the fashion, so perhaps some of our youth is also involved, in the cities at least. In any case, we also have a problem of rehabilitation, a problem of how to deal with the chronic cases where addiction has been a problem. This is also the responsibility of this committee, and there is the Minister of Public Health, the Minister of Commerce, the Minister of Agriculture, which is involved in this committee. Now, in order to make the work of these two committees effective, we in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs had to provide little coordination work. As a matter of fact, I have been saying to myself that in the last year I have been a minister of wheat and fertilizer and narcotics, because we had a drought, a very severe drought. We had to cope with that, so we had to assemble some help, and that was the Minister of Foreign Affairs had to do it.